Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey friends, welcome back to my conversation. This is MK. Some days before I told you that I am trying to culture dapnia without starter or without anything. So I just experiment in 3 houses, project 1, project 2 and project 3. So I got success. You saw the video before. I got some dapnias from my project 3 tank. These tanks use different materials and different experiment, and those the first one and second one got failed me. They haven't any dapnia here. This is a experimental project, so I decided to shoot a new video that can help you. So how can I got dapnia culture from here, from these tanks? So please see my next video. I will show you how I get and how I culture dapnia from those tanks. If you want the full technique of how I culture dapnia, so please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also give a thumbs up and do your comment. You can share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?